Today I am going to show you how to make an authentic Sri Lankan beef curry. You can use any cut of beef for this curry. I will be using chuck roast for this. This gives a good taste for the curry. Add 3 tablespoons of roasted curry powder. I have added the link in the description below for this. 1 teaspoonful of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, black pepper as per your choice. This is tamarind concentrate. It's a tamarind paste. Add 1 tablespoon of tamarind. This will make the meat so tender, and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Now mix the meat with this curry powder and the other spices very well and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. Add oil to a heated pan. 2 tablespoon oil is enough, and 1 onion and few curry leaves. Saute this onion and curry leaves for a minute. Now you can smell the aroma. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger and 2 tablespoons of garlic. You can add paste or chopped garlic. Now mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of roasted curry powder. This adds beautiful color to the curry. Don't burn it, just fry it. Now you can add 1 tomato, chopped tomato. Now add the marinade meat to the mixture. And mix well. You can cover this mixture and cook for at least 20 minutes. Don't add any water. Now after 20 minutes, the curry look like this. You can eat this as without coconut milk, but coconut milk gives the curry to a good taste, authentic taste. I'm using this brand. This is a very good brand for me. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of thick coconut milk, or you can add just if it is a light coconut milk, you can add 1 cup or half cup as your taste. Now cook for another 5 minutes. You can cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Now your authentic Sri Lankan beef curry is ready to eat. You can eat this with plain white rice or bread or any kind of roti.